What's up, guys? We have a couple of Hot Wheels snowstormers. Got an orange and a white and green one. So these are interesting little vehicles. They really are. Nothing turns. It's got like, it looks like a tracked snowmobile, I guess. Very different. I haven't seen too many of these at all. I don't know if it's a carburetor or something right there. Very slick. Basic on the bottom. Snowstormers. Don't see any lights. But it is just really interesting. I like that. Very slick. And this one's a rescue. That one was a snowstormer. Just says snowstormer. Okay. I am gonna go with this one as my favorite. That one, because I saw this one, it just looks a little different. But I like the white wheels. Maybe it says rescue, I don't know, but they're sharp. Very, very interesting. Look at that, huh? I like that. Very interesting. What do you think, guys, of this vehicle, Snowstormers? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Please subscribe.